Okay, let's read this one. The police chief in a town is trying to determine the average speed of drivers on a specific road. The police chief took a random sample of the speeds of 100 drivers on the road. The mean was 48.5. I almost said 85. Don't do that. That's fast. The mean was 48.5 miles per hour with a standard deviation of 2.5 miles an hour. The police chief wanted to decrease the margin of error of his next sample. Okay, they give you all kinds of information. They tell you a formula, and you never need to use the formula. They never say, now compute it. They didn't. They just said, what would you do? He wants to decrease the margin of error. We actually just did one similar to this. If I want to decrease the margin of error, I can increase the denominator, and it makes this entire thing get smaller. So I will increase that. Increasing that means that I have increased the sample size. That would be B. Let's just talk about how ridiculous C and D are. Change the time the data was collected. That doesn't really help you. Changing the road on which the data is collected, that doesn't decrease your margin of error. That's just a different experiment altogether. But changing the sample size is what you would do.